Dandruff is a common scalp problem, and if you have it, then get rid of it with home remedies. Highly advertised dandruff shampoos may not be as effective in removing dandruff as the neem leaves are. Let us take a closer look at neem and neem oil and the best ways to use it to get rid of your dandruff. Dryness of the scalp and a fungus called malassezia cause dandruff. Both issues need to be addressed simultaneously. Neem oil moisturizes the dry skin that causes white flakes and neutralizes the excess sebum that is a feed for the fungus malassezia. As a result, regular use of neem and neem oil completely removes dandruff from your scalp. Chewing neem leaves is one of the best ways to get rid of dandruff fast. But neem is bitter, and chewing the leaves can be a big challenge, as it certainly is not a good experience. Start with chewing just 1 or 2 clean neem leaves. Gradually develop taste and chew 6 to 8 leaves twice daily. Or just boil 6 to 8 leaves in a glass of water for 5 minutes, strain the water and squeeze the leaves to extract the juice in the water. Drink the water twice daily. Always wash and clean the leaves to remove dirt and other pollutants before use in any form. In addition to this, apply neem oil on your scalp. You can easily make a neem oil blend at home with neem leaves. Clean and crush a bunch of fresh neem leaves. Add double the amount of coconut oil and heat for 15 minutes, then strain the oil with fine strainer. Rub it hot on your scalp before going to the bed. Leave it overnight and wash off with mild herbal shampoo in the morning. Another way to use neem leaves is to wash your scalp with it. Boil a few neem leaves in water. Squeeze and strain. Rinse the hair with neem water. Neem used in all these ways will quickly fix your dandruff problem. If your white flakes don't stop after a prolonged use of neem, then consult a dermatologist. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.